Another simple card. It was a 12 by 12 card, cut in half and then folded. Oh, I got a belly here. I'm feeling getting him off. And it's double-sided. If they're a bit thin, your card, you can cut out white card with a die, or you cut out a square and round off the corners, but I used a die for cutting it out. Stick it in the inside so you can write, and then the front, the design, I don't even see it's a bird on things, holly, the bird eye is intricate, and I dab it with my talc all over so it's easier to come out, or jam jar with talcum powder and a makeup brush to dip in the jar. Dip it in and then do it, because the brushes was longer than that, the brush, but it's wearing away, and once it's wearing away I'm not using it no more. So anyway, and then a sponge to put your dye on, and test brush a bit to get all the bits out. Quite simple, little bop, and there's all your bits gone. Then you can put that and put it in your bin. So that was the bird, and then I have a holly die for in the corners, and then for the bellies I have glitter card to punch out the berries with a punch hole, normal punch hole. Bum 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 bum. There you go. And stick them on. No problem. Quite simple, quite easy, and I've made a lot of them too. Okay, hope you like my bird on with holly. Okay, bye bye. Please subscribe, notify, like, comments, blah blah. Okay, bye bye.